How to fix Geo SIM not showing network problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Geo SIM not showing network problem. So guys, we have 5 steps for this. Keep in mind that the 5th steps will be the beneficial steps for you. So guys, let's go to the phone settings. Let's get started. Now the first step is you have to enable the airplane mode, and then you have to restart your phone and reopen your phone. The problem will be solved. Now the second step is, you can see here dual SIM and cellular network. Click on dual SIM and cellular network here, and then select your SIM, and you can see here carrier option. Click on carrier and then just disable this automatically sets, and then click on off, and it will be automatically searching a network for you. So select your network and the problem will be solved. Now the third step is, you have to go to your additional settings. Here is it. Click on additional settings, and then you have to go to backup and reset. Click on backup and reset, and then just press on reset to factory settings. Now guys, keep in mind that you have to click only in the reset system settings only. You can see here in the first option, just click on there, not in the clear all data. So click here, enter your password and restart it. Your problem will be solved. And the fourth step is, you have to go to your settings, and you can see here software updates. Click on software updates and see whether there is anything for the update. You have to update it, restart your phone, the problem will be solved. And the fifth step is, you have to call to your customer care, Geo customer care, and then you have to consult with them, because sometimes the sims get the network connection gets dissolved itself. So guys, this is how you can fix Geo SIM not showing network problem. Thanks for watching.